All right, today, a little different product for Amazon. Special thanks to the company for sending it my way. We have, though, a manual coffee grinder. Now, it came in a very nice box, as you can see, completely sealed with plastic. Looks like that's a picture of it. Nothing on the top. The bottom just says made in China with FDA and the model number BDCG001. Nothing on the side. Nothing on the other side besides the little sticker. Let's get into this. Take a look at this manual coffee grinder. I must say, I've never seen one of these. Like, I don't even know what it does. I'm not a coffee drinker. So, it's our top. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Not what I was expecting. Like, this is way nicer than what I was expecting. So, we've got a little cloth here. Looks like to put everything in. Feels velourish. Ooh, smell. It's like a new car smell or something. Then we've got a how to grind. So a user's manual. Looks pretty simple. So how to grind, pull out the container, fasten the body with the container, and open the lid to pour coffee beans inside from the top, less than 20 grams. And then you basically just go in a circle and it comes out the bottom. Hold the body and rotate the handle, pull out the container and pour the ground coffee after grind is finished. Wow. Okay. User's guide, helpful. Little information here on the back you may need, troubleshooting and stuff. And then this is the coffee grinder. Wow. That must be maybe to clean something out. Not, does this tell me, does this show this thing? It doesn't tell me. It comes with this. If you grind coffee, you may or may not know what this is for. My guess would be you could use it to blow out the coffee. And then look at that little cup made out of like wood. Very cool. That looks to be the handle, also made out of wood. Looks like it screws right on top and then you're able to do your thing. This is some kind of brush, probably also for cleaning out something. And last but not least, the main grind. Wow, it's heavy. And it's in there, but that's it for the box. Let me try to show you this real quick. So we've got, does this come out? Yeah, this part comes out. So this comes out and that's how you're able to put your coffee down in there. So you pour your coffee down in, take this little piece and set it back on top. Take this little piece and set it on top. And then you just take this little piece and screw it into place. There we go. Now it's screwed into place. I just realized I kind of did that backwards. I probably did that the hard way, but either way, you'd be able to put your coffee in and then you put this on and then it rotates it. Hear that noise? Now, if you look at the bottom down here, you're able to unscrew this, and that's where your coffee goes. And you can dump it straight into your coffee machine. It don't really matter. But if you do look back here, you can see this turning. So that's essentially all this is, how it would work. Very nice. You can hear the material of this. This is like, you can hear the material of this. This is like some kind of metal. Very nice materials. Also the look of it, it would just look very nice sitting on your counter. And you can see, just pour in your coffee beans, put your top on, rotate a few times, and your coffee's grinded and you're ready to go. And I don't know why I love it. That'll essentially do it for this manual coffee grinder. Absolutely love the quality. 2 massive thumbs up, and I think this is great for people who love to grind their coffee. So thank you for joining me on this unboxing. Hopefully you've liked it and gotten a better idea of how this works. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.